What's up, guys? So, I just got my balaclava ready. I'm just playing with my new 3D printed fidget. I got an acorn from Exeter the other day. It's like from a keyboard, and they click it in. It's like a fidget acorn. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you all my 3D printed dragons and dinosaurs. I've only got 5, but no, 6 including this. Yeah, 6 including this. So this is the first one, even though it's not a dragon. It's a clicker. The second one I've got is this galaxy dinosaur. It's nice. And I got a green one. So these two I got from a bowling alley. So this I got from Exeter. These two I got from bowling alley, yeah? Okay. This I got from a shopping painter. This is broke. The antlers came off on the 2 back legs, but still kind of cool. It's pretty long. I think it's like £8. I think it was like £8 or something. But yeah, I like how the spines look like they're growing when you do this. When you go. But yeah. And the exciting thing is, next weekend, I'm going Alton Towers. But yeah, I'm going to try and bring some of these. But yeah, well, I might try and bring all of them. But yeah, I've got this. Nice orange fire dragon. So next I got from Torquay Town. It's called an Exo Dragon. It's really cool. It's like pretty long, but still this orange one's longer. I put this like literally exactly aligned. Still longer. This one's here. This one's here. Look. Yeah, it's a little bit longer. But yeah, this Exo Dragon, pretty heavy as well. But then I've got the last one. My favourite one. My favourite one. My favourite one. Yeah. This is my favourite egg. Well, this is my only egg actually. I got it yesterday in Exeter as well. I like how it changes colour from pink to purple to gold. But yeah, let's open it. So here's the head of the dragon. Let's just get out. It's pretty long. Pretty long. Definitely longer than the orange one and the green one. Let me just get the orange one next to it, yeah? Yeah. But yeah, guys. Next to the green one. Still. And here. A lot bigger. This is by far my favourite one because it's all colours. And then I've got the egg with it. I don't know how this thing fits in the egg. Like, bro. It's like, well, the egg. It's kind of big. Yeah. I need to try and put him in. It's hard to put him in. But yeah. I'll try and get him in. I'm in. Oh. He's in there. But yeah, I love my 3D printed things because, like, just set the time. Okay. Right. Bro, where's my phone not working? No, I don't want to open my photos. The frick? Oh, there we go. But you guys know Talkie Kid Gamer? Let me just show you something. Just oh wait, no. What his name was. I'll be back in a sec. Forgot how to change his name. Well, I know how to match my phone, which is only like me. But you know what? I'm gonna send him a voicemail. Wait, let me just reset. Okay. Send a voicemail. Hey. Redo that. Hey, Talkie Kid Gamer. I'm just doing a YouTube video, so obviously I won't say your real name. But I'm just doing I'm just doing a YouTube video. But yeah, I'm just gonna ask, when can we hang out again? Or when can you come to my house again? Or can I come to your house? I don't know. But I wanna hang out sometime. But yeah. See you tomorrow at school. Hey, Talkie Kid Gamer. I'm just doing a YouTube video, so obviously I won't say your name. By the way, I didn't know his real name. Just that. Okay. I'm just going to put my phone back. Okay. But yeah, I got this dragon. Can be a necklace if you really want. No, it can't. Has no way of clipping onto. Neither does this one. This one can go on your shoulder though. Like this one, if you put it on your arm, it looks cool. Stupid. That's just satisfying. Look. Ready? Steady. Satisfying. I can't live without this thing, bro. I could put this on my keyboard and just be like, this is for A because it's acorn. It's an acorn. Those I don't want to flip and see my photos, friend. But wait, no. You know what? You know what? But yeah. I'm just recording on both phones just in case anything happens. But yeah, Talkie Kid Gamer is actually a good guy though. Well, not a good kid. He's my friend. I literally met him at school, bro. He goes to my school and I'm like, bro, 2 YouTubers in the same school. So cool. But he's just a nice guy. Bro, like, he got me into these things. He didn't get me into these, I got myself into them. But yeah, he got me into these ones. So I'm gonna try and get one of these clickies. Oh, I saw there was a strawberry one at the shop as well. And there was a punk duck. it was like a duck that you click it, and it was like a rubber duck, but it was like had like metal spikes, but they're not metal. They're just really kind of little spikes. They're meant to look like metal spikes. So it was called Punk Duck, and you could just click it up and down like this. But yeah, sorry if this annoys you, but so I'll just put it there. But yeah, I love 3D printed things. So after, hopefully, if your mum lets you, you can get some dragons. And if you already do, ask for some more. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I think that'll be it for today's video. It's been 10 minutes, one of my longest videos. I don't really like my videos being that long though, so I'm just going to end it here. But yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.